This is how to use NotebookLM for stock market research. From your dashboard, create a new notebook, then upload a resource or resources. So for instance, we will use NVIDIA annual report, and we will use this latest annual report. I will copy the link and paste it here, and just click this button. Then you can ask question, or let's say, can you summarize the latest annual report of, then just hit enter. So here is the summary. You can also compare the annual report of Intel. So we'll just copy this and we'll add a resource and just click this button. Okay, then you can ask NotebookLM to compare. So compare NVIDIA and Intel annual reports. So here's the performance of Intel and NVIDIA. You can also use NotebookLM to analyze the financial growth of NVIDIA or whatever stock you want to analyze. Just put the resource here or the link like the NVIDIA and Intel and ask NotebookLM to analyze those data. You can also use this studio panel right here to create a multimedia-like infographic, video, or a data table. So this is how to use NotebookLM for stock market research.